Konbanwa, Hisashiburi. I'm currently back home in Denmark, back home visiting my parents and family for Christmas and New Year's. First time I'm home in almost a full year since moving to Sapporo, so that's very exciting. The autumn has been absolutely insane. November and October as well have been the busiest month and the craziest months of my entire life. So hence the complete and utter lack of videos since summer. Just making this quick video to announce that I will be hosting and organizing an event in January 2024 for Hokkaido Innovation Week. The event is called Hokkaido Entrepreneurship Expo. It is a pitch event for and by the Hokkaido entrepreneurship community. It's going to take place during Hokkaido Innovation Week, and it will feature 24 startups pitching for 3 minutes each to an audience of both investors, media people, other entrepreneurs. There will be no contest or no funny business like that. It is just relaying the kind of diversity and quality of the early stage startups in the Hokkaido entrepreneurship community. Super excited to be hosting and organizing this thing. When I arrived in Hokkaido almost a year ago, I got a lot of attention and a lot of help from the existing ecosystem at the time. I got put on stages and in contexts where I absolutely did not belong, both pitching and being part of panel debates and also moderating a panel debate, even put in newspaper interviews quite a lot, and they had no reason to do so, but they wanted to see me and Trip.com succeed. And I'll be forever paying back that debt of gratitude to them, and this I think is a small but meaningful step towards that, where I get to flip the spotlight back on our community and back on the ecosystem. So super excited to see what we can make. The intent is for this to be one of many events under the Hokkaido Entrepreneurship Expo banner, but this particular one will be called Hokkaido Entrepreneurship Expo 2024, and it will be part of the Hokkaido Innovation Week. The event will take place on the 31st of January 2024 during Hokkaido Innovation Week, and it will be from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. At a venue called Fiatal in Susukino in Sapporo. They've been kind enough to let us use the venue for free, so I really appreciate them for that. That's very kind of them. If you don't know, Hokkaido Innovation Week is a 1-week event at the end of January and bleeding slightly into February that is intended to bring a lot of people from the entrepreneurial and kind of startup world to Hokkaido to show them what we have going on and maybe bring some of them here on a more permanent basis, both entrepreneurs, investors, media people, other community stakeholders. It's gonna be massive and we're very excited for it. It feels like a natural continuation of the foundation that was laid when we hosted Tech Barbecue Sapporo back in January 2023, the event that I initially arrived for. So it's super exciting to see this grow to be a 1-week format with Tech Barbecue Sapporo 2024 being just a sub-event of this like overarching event, and I'm super stoked to be contributing with a community event of my own. I think that about covers it. New Trip.com hoodie matching the orange redesign of our website, which you have of course seen. Otherwise, please do swing by, especially if you're thinking that Hokkaido Innovation Week sounds like your kind of thing. It is the perfect chance to come see what we got brewing up here, what we got cooking, what kind of stakeholders and players are up here, and maybe seeing if you could start a company here or move your current company there, or open a subsidiary branch of your current company in Japan, in Hokkaido, where we have the best ecosystem anywhere, full stop. Not biased at all. And even better, it takes place just before the Snow Festival, so you could go to Sapporo for Hokkaido Innovation Week, so a week of business, and then a week of vacation for the Snow Festival. So perfect setup. And obviously, Trip.com is the place to go to find your trips there. Would be very happy to have you there. If you do use Trip.com to get there, like you actually go to Hokkaido Innovation Week, come find me and tell me that you use Trip.com to get there and I'll buy you a beer. And if spending several $100s to go to Sapporo to save like 200 yen on a beer by virtue of me buying it isn't a great deal, then I don't know what is. So absolutely take me up on that banger of an offer. Other than that, super excited for 2024. It's gonna be crazy. I'm currently in the process of transitioning from the startup visa to the business manager visa. So a lot to say about that, and I will cover it in a separate video that will probably be an hour-long rant about my first year having a company in Japan and how the entire startup visa journey was, what kind of experience that was. So saving that for later, trying to keep this video a bit shorter. So summarized, Hokkaido Entrepreneurship Expo, pitch event formed by the Hokkaido community. Will take place during Hokkaido Innovation Week, an innovation and entrepreneurship centric 1-week event at the end of January. Hokkaido Entrepreneurship Expo, my event, 31st of January from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Viatel in Susukino, Sapporo. And Hokkaido Innovation Week is the week around that particular Wednesday. So if you have the chance, please do come. It would be a lot of fun to see some people up there, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for listening. As always, happy holidays, whichever one of them you celebrate. Also just enjoy last part of December. If you celebrate none of them, that's cool as well. And get safely into the new year. And yeah, hope to see you in the next video. Matarainen.